Hello there, thank you for stopping over at our YouTube channel where we demonstrate IT hacks and show simple tricks for solving computing problems. I hope you've been enjoying our video tutorial so far. Please always remember to share, like, and subscribe if you have not done so. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to optimize your phone's memory. Now, you don't necessarily need to uninstall applications whenever you want to install new ones. And you don't necessarily need to buy extra memory card or memory space for your phone storage. You can simply manage your applications with these simple tricks I'm going to demonstrate in this tutorial. That way, you can use your phone to load new programs. Go to settings, then from settings, go to apps, which is going to show the applications we've installed on our phones. All right, it's trying to fetch the applications, the programs that you want to manage the memory. Okay, let's just hold on for a while, depending on what you have. Now, these are the applications we have on this mobile phone I'm using now for the demonstration. Each program has its size in the memory. So to manage anyone, I want to manage, maybe let me start with Chrome. Just tap on Chrome. Okay. And then it brings up the Chrome settings. So for me to manage the space that Chrome occupies on my phone, I go to storage and memory. Okay, then it brings up these two buttons, manage space and clear cache. A cache memory is a temporary storage location where recently and frequently accessed files are stored. So as you use your phone, the cache memory is created. So on the other hand, if you choose to manage space, now it's going to give you an instruction. It's going to give you a message you need to take time to read. For instance, now if you are trying to manage space for Google, it's going to erase all Google search data, including your search history, feed settings, and your account details. I mean your Google password. You might have to sign in again into the browser. So if you don't want to do that, you can simply handle the clear cache option, which is better. That is only going to clear temporary files and free up enough space for you. But if you are sure of the program you want to wipe without uninstalling, you can choose the manage space option. To clear the cache memory, we tap on clear cache, and then it wipes that content to now have 0 bytes of the cache memory in the phone. So that way, Chrome now occupies a lesser space in your phone. So you can scroll down to access other programs you might want to manage them, want to optimize them on the phone. Okay, which other one now? Let me scroll down. All right, so the choice is yours on which program you want to manage. Okay, let me try Google. Now, this Google browser contains cache memory as well. So I want to clear the cache. For the Google, what you browse, your browsing history is stored there. So you can clear cache and then you have 0 bytes. All right, now it has reduced the space that browser occupies on my phone. Let me also maybe clear other things. You have clear Google search data and clear all data. Now the choice is yours on what you want to do. So you can erase everything that Google search engine has stored on your phone. So you can clear it, and then you now see that it has reduced the space that browser has occupied on your phone. Now it has not uninstalled your program. Actually, it has only reduced the space that's occupied. So let's scroll down for other programs you want to reduce their space, the space they've occupied on our phones. All right, which one should I choose now? Okay, let me keep scrolling. All right, photos. Okay, storage and memory. I can clear data, I can clear cache, depending on what I want. Okay, I want to clear data. Fine, it clears whatever space that is occupied on my phone's memory. All right, another one is this other browser Let me go there, storage and memory, and then you can clear the entire data, okay, which is what I've done here, and then I clear it. Okay, which other one? Screen recorder, do I want that? Okay, we'll go to storage and memory. That's usually our point of interest, and then it can clear data, it can clear cache. Let me clear cache. So that is how to optimize your phone's memory without buying extra memory for it or buying memory card. All right, by simply clearing cache, the cache memory, which is a temporary storage location for recently accessed files, and or managing your space. Okay, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Please like, subscribe, share, and then enable notification. Thank you. Check back to watch other videos.